Right, this is the morning, Friday morning. I don't know what day it is. Any ideas?
Friday.
Friday morning. We are leaving Key Largo today.
Ooh, money.
And we are heading to Homestead, which is where we're going camping for the next 2 nights. 3 nights.
At the Everglades.
At the Everglades. So we're gonna hopefully see some crocodiles.
Alligators.
Alligators. I'm a thick fuck. Amy's not well. Amy's got the cold that I've had.
It's fine.
It's not fine, really.
Just give me loads of coffee and we'll be good. Give me one of those energy drinks.
Yeah, we'll stop and get 2 of them.
Yeah.
Let's do that. So let's take you for a tour to Homestead. It's not too far from here.
And then we'll be planning out our Everglades weekend.
Everglades weekend, and we're gonna
booking the little funny boat thing to film.
yeah, we'll do all that. Okay. Right, we've made it to Homestead. There's some Muscovy ducks for you. We know what they are now. Look at them. Right, so we're out for a 10k 6 miler. Just still recovering the legs at the moment, and we're on a trail which I've forgotten the name of, but I'm actually going to write it on the screen just now so you can see where we are. We're about a mile in already and it's just been like this the whole way. Oh, it's amazing for training on, that'll be for sure. I think it's quite a long trail this, maybe 30 miles of this. Look at it, how's it 30 miles of this back home to train on? Yep. So far Homestead looks pretty cool actually. Looks like a lot to do. And it'd be interesting to compare the prices with where we've been as well. So we'll do all that today. But I think, in all honesty, if you're planning a trip to the Keys, Homestead is a fucking big shout. If you're hiring a car, you're so close, but yet the prices seem to absolutely plummet here. You can, what are we, 45 minutes? Tops, 45 minutes tops from Homestead to Key Largo. So I think that this could be a spot that I think me and Amy will use going forward to explore this area, Homestead. Not too much to see along this trail, it's kind of look the same all the way. Just flat, perfect track along the side of this canal. Good though, good for running. Cool birds. Oh, you'll be flying away again, mate. You're not going far enough.
That was a baby.
Right, Amy, tell the viewers where you've taken me to now.
South Tip Farm.
Yeah? What did they do at South Tip Farm?
Something really special.
What do they grow here?
They grow cannabis here.
Amy's now taking me to a cannabis farm. See what I have to put up with? Abandoned buildings, missing silos, missile silos. I'm not even.
Say that fast 3 times.
Well, wait till I've had one of these flowers. I'm away for flowers. Flowers. So after the cloning process, they get transplanted to 6-inch pots. These little girls right here. And then all the big ones you see in front of you are mothers. So these are all females? Yeah. Wow. Since they... That's what you need. Yeah. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, I can see you. Total treat.
Direct treat, Sophie. Very cool.
was that? You're gonna have to guide us like we're idiots.
That's exactly what the list is for.
Is Amy marathon training?
Did show my mum.
How's the marathon training going?
I think we're off training this week.
No, we're right.
Well, that is a thoroughly good tour and well worth doing. What was it, $20?
Yeah, $10.
Yeah, $10
5
each.
if you want to do a tasting.
So what did we pay for that?
15 each.
That's alright.
Yeah, that's
really good. Really enjoyed it.
So, yeah.
I've got some doobies for bedtime as well, so.
Starbucks okay, because it's easy to get to.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's just Starbucks. We're just looking somewhere close by for coffee. One thing I have noticed about America is the coffee's not as...
No, it's rubbish.
It's rubbish, yeah.
It's rubbish.
Well, after all that weed smoking, I went for a coffee. And we're going to go and check into our tent for the night, which is, I think you'll be surprised when you see it, because it's pretty cool. Well, this is certainly interesting, Amy. Where are we?
Casa de something. Bye bye. He's like, somebody locked me in here. Oh, big stretch. Bye bye.
So this is our accommodation for the next 3 nights. It is a tent in someone's garden.
With a microwave.
The
And a Keurig.
And a cat.
Hello.
And for Amy's funny. So this is our home here for the next 3 nights. It's actually really cool. I quite like it.
There's a cat in the phone.
Yeah, this is very, very John and Amy. Right, I am so excited because we're at a Walmart Supercentre. We haven't done a Walmart Supercentre yet. It was just a small one. So I get the idea that this is going to be massive. So I'm going to get right through it, get loads of footage. There's the most beautiful woman in the world right there. Look at her, no, fucking beautiful. I mean, it's slightly bigger than us than an Elgin. I think.
If you had like 4
I think it could be the size of Elgin. Walmart is literally the same size as.
2 or 3 houses?
I think more. Still in Walmart. Still looking for toothpaste. Where's the toothpaste, Amy? It is freaking massive. This is what the first night in our tent looks like, with the lights on. Look who's still here. Our furry friend. Hello. What's your name?
Garfield.
Tent at night. I'm not sure if someone lives in that as well. I think there's definitely somebody in that bit there. We saw somebody coming in.
When in Florida.
When in Florida, smoke doobies.